Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Natasha's Wonder Kitchen. I hope you like my recipe Mushroom Masala. It's a spicy mushroom preparation which can be served with rice or roti. So let us start with the ingredients first. We need 1 cup of sliced button mushroom, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, some chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 slit chilies, green chilies and coriander leaves, salt to taste, mustard oil 3 tablespoons. Take a non-stick pan and pour the mustard oil. Wait till the pan is hot and the oil is hot. Now put the cumin and mustard seeds in the oil. You will find it sizzling. Then put the green chilies and stir. Once the seeds turn a little bit brown in shade, we have to add the onions, chopped onions. So now it's time to add the chopped onions and stir. Stir for some time till the onions turn brown in color. It will take little time, around 10 minutes. Once the onion turns slightly brown in color, we have to add the ginger garlic paste and stir till the garlic and ginger paste mixes in the onion. You can see the color of the onions have changed. Keep stirring for some time. Then add the coriander powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder and mix. Mix till the masalas, till the spices dissolve in the onion. See, the color of the onion has changed totally after putting in the spices. It has become more brown in color. Now we can add in the tomatoes at this point of the time and stir, because the tomatoes will take little time to soften up. At this point, add a little bit of salt and stir. Salt will help the tomatoes to dissolve faster. Cover the pan with the lid and keep stirring occasionally. We can see now the tomatoes have softened up and has completely dissolved with the onions, and it's now time to pour in the mushrooms. So now we put in the mushrooms in the masala mixture that we've prepared and keep stirring. Cover the lid for some time and keep stirring. Now we can put a little bit of water so that the mushroom cooks a little more faster. So a little bit of water can be added in the mushroom and mixed. You can see how the mushroom is slowly cooking. You can close the lid and occasionally open and stir the mushrooms. You can increase the burner at this point of time, and so that the gravy thickens. You can see now the mushroom is almost done. We can add a little bit of chopped coriander for added flavors. Your mushroom masala is ready to be served. It can be served with roti or steamed rice. The mushroom masala is ready to be served. If you like my video, then please don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Also do click the red bell icon below to subscribe to my channel. See you all next week with another exciting recipe from Natasha's Wonder Kitchen.